front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app from Mad Scientist. Go to Magic Fluid site, Fluid Theme. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent and tap on this gear at the top left corner to access wallpaper settings and operate them however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!